Hey guys, it's Ryan the BugMan, and coming up on Tuesday, I have a huge day coming up. This is going to be awesome. I'm going to start out local here for a special needs at Leg Up Farms, a special needs program. Amazing kids, awesome people, tons of fun. After that, I'm going to go down in the afternoon. I'm going down to Southern York County where I'm going to be at a YMCA, and I'm going to be doing a program for their summer camp. And then after that, I wrap it up and I drive all the way down to Williamsburg, Virginia, where I'm going to be working a Bachelorette party. And at that party, she wants a BugMan program, so I'll get to teach all and inspire and educate like we do. But best of all, she also wants me to teach the girls in her party how to mount insects. So we're going to have an absolute cool day coming up on Tuesday. I'm going to bring you along on that ride. One of the things I'm going to do is prepare the relaxer and the moths that we're going to mount and that aspect of it. I'm just going to keep you along for this whole ride and the whole process because this is a big day and a lot of preparation. Stay with me, man. It's going to be fun. So quick rundown. I have boards. These are going to need cut. I'm going to cut these down, so that'll give me 6 boards that I can use for the people at her party. I think there's going to be 7 people total, but she's already told me that 6 is going to work. So we're going to use that. I also bought some insect pins. So everybody's going to get a pack of insect pins. And then I also have my large ball head pins, and we'll divvy some of those out so everybody can use those for mounting bugs as well. We're going to be using paper strips. I'm not going to take glass slides and plastic slides. I'm going to teach them how to use paper strips to mount. Super easy. We might flip a few of the moths upside down just to show them how to mount things upside down like that, because that can sometimes be a little easier too. These boards work okay for that. It doesn't take the scales off too bad. But I'm just not a big fan of that. But we may still teach them that method just because we can. And most importantly, we have the moths. And these are conveniently, these are all Polyphemus soap moths that I've had papered for quite a while. And these are going to work out perfect for the day. We're going to pull them out of these envelopes. We're going to put them in here. We're going to soften them up for a couple days. And that way they're going to be nicely relaxed. Each one of these envelopes has a male and female in it. So I've got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 moths that I'm going to take with me. That way there's a couple replacements if somebody needs a new one, or if maybe they want them out too. And then on top of that, as if that's not cool enough, on top of that, I'm also going to take scorpions, and I'm going to give everybody a scorpion that they can take home and relax and mount out. And along with that, they can also mount those scorpions along with the video that I'm about to release about mounting a scorpion. So that's going to work out kind of cool. They can watch that video and mount their scorpion along with the scorpion that I'm going to be doing in the video. Super cool, man. Again, I'm going to put the moths in this relaxer. I'm going to take you through that real quick, show you how I do that, because I got about 3 days to relax these moths out. So we're going to get this done. Super easy, super cool. Stay with it. Okay, so as you can see, I have the relaxing container cleaned out, making sure it's good and clean. I'm going to put some paper towels down. I'm going to put some water in there. Then I'm going to cut the moths out of the envelopes and put them in. And then I'm going to layer some paper towels over the top of that and put a little more water in there. And within about 3 days, these things should be really nice and just about perfectly soft, that they're relaxed, and then we can just have the ladies mount these out in the party. So, yeah, here we go, man. Let's dig in. Let's get this done. Hey man, it's Ryan Ridge BugMan. Good morning. I am on my way to my first of 3 events today. I'm in the new ride, man. I got the new wheels now. Nice. We're headed to Leg Up Farms. We're gonna do some special needs programming. I think it's only one program, but I love this place. I can't show you kids. I can't show you everything going on. So we'll get her done and I'll talk to you in a minute. All right, we are on the road, headed down southern part of the county. We are going to be going to a YMCA for a summer camp program. This is going to be cool. And again, I think it's 1. It might be 2. Don't know for sure. I don't pay much attention to that. I'm just happy to be there. That's what happens when you love your job. So anyway, I got about a half an hour or so. We're going to get down there and then I'll get set up. Right on schedule, and we're supposed to start around 1. And I want to say it's 2 programs, but either way, it doesn't matter. I'll do it. And then we are going to be headed for Williamsburg, Virginia, where I'm going to be working at a Bachelorette party. I know, right? Crazy cool stuff we get to do at this job. So, yep. That's the plan for the day. I'll be starting a program later tonight, like later tonight in Williamsburg, Virginia. And then I got to come back home and do it all again tomorrow. So super cool. This is what we do, man. This is how we roll. So stay with me, man. Gonna be a fun day. All right, man. Geez, I'll get rid of these things. We are all done at the YMCA. And we are now headed, to Williamsburg, Virginia. If you missed it earlier, we're headed to a Bachelorette party. Yeah, something like that. This is a cool opportunity. They want to learn how to mount some insects, so I'm going to teach them how to mount a moth. Because moths and butterflies mount pretty much the same. And that'll get them squared away on that. And then I'm going to leave behind a little surprise for them that they don't know is going to happen. I'm going to give everybody a scorpion and let them take them home and mount them up on their own, which should be pretty cool too. So, all things said, it's going to be a very interesting event. And I don't think I've ever been to a bachelorette party before, but it promises to be fun all the same. What a wild life I have, man. To be able to do the cool variety of stuff that we get to do, go the places we go, see the things we see, and meet the people we meet. So, yep, all the way to Williamsburg, Virginia. It's got about a 4-hour drive, and then we're going to play with more bugs. Just to keep people happy. I love my life. All right, man, stay with me. Gonna be fun. some vid.
Oh my gosh, I love that.
That's outstanding.
Thank you.
Now, what you want to do is, just for giggles, double check the slot.
Okay.
And make sure the slot is the same on each wing.
Okay.
Okay, on each side. You're doing good.
Oh, I love that song.
The bride to be. Now, you guys, you're kicking ass. You're doing really good. Normally, when I'm doing mounting workshops like this, it takes the group about a solid hour to mount the bug, and I usually give them big moths like this because they're just easier. Butterflies tear all the heck. So when I'm training people, I generally don't give them butterflies because I can give you beautiful butterflies and then they're just trashed afterwards, and people get upset about that. So I don't know. Moths people don't seem to struggle with so much. That's really good though. You guys are doing great. Like serious great. You guys are doing awesome. We're almost at a point where some of you are going to appreciate not having a head on your bug. Nice. Outstanding.
Behind you. I didn't say anything because I didn't want to freak you out, but.
I would have been funny.
You would have been funny. But yeah, no, it was, the roach was on the wall behind you. Like, if you're sitting in the booth, like, to your right side, that wall was the one that the roach was on. You know, I love roaches. One of my friends has a ton of,
And then we can send this stuff to you guys as well. Pay attention to her. Don't worry about me.
Oh, wait, do that again, Michaela. Okay.
Guys, I'm looking, and the bugs look really good. You guys did awesome. You really did. You guys did awesome. I'm really, really, really happy it came out as well as it did, because I've seen some train wrecks. Yeah, not everybody can handle this. Not everybody can do this. And sometimes it's individuals, but to have everybody in the group knock it out of the park like you guys just did, that's awesome. So congratulations, guys. Yo, that was absolutely cool. Man, what a fantastic group of people. Lily, thank you so much for inviting me in there, for all your friends. A bachelorette party? Are you kidding me? They mounted a moth, and then they turned around and they endured a BugMan program for about 2 hours. Super, super fun. Very long day, don't get me wrong, man. I'm riding on about a 15-hour day as of right now, and I still got a 5-hour drive back home. But that's part of the deal. This is why we do what we do, and I have zero complaints. I love my job. I love this gig. Fantastic day today. How many times have I been to a bachelorette party? Once. And what did I do at the bachelorette party? Well, we talked about bugs and played with bugs and touched and pet and held bugs, and I inspired and I educated, which is what we get to do every single day. Super, super cool stuff. Guys, it's a wrap. I'm gonna drive home. I gotta get myself a coffee in order to do so. And then we're gonna wrap this whole day up, and then tomorrow I get to get up and do it all over again, because I love my job, man. So you know the drill. Man, angry. Guys, you know the drill. Be well, be safe, and let's all be kind, shall we? You know, for real, let's be kind, okay? You know that. All right, guys, thank you so much. I appreciate each and every one of you. We'll see you. Hey, folks, be sure you like and subscribe to what's going on here. If you like this channel, then tap that subscribe button and let us know how much you appreciate it. Get in on some of the comments. Let me know what you think. Let me know how you feel. And offer whatever support you can, because we always appreciate everything our fans are doing for us. All right, man. Thanks a lot. Take care.